Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade gold in Exness. To begin, open your Exness personal area in your web browser. This is where you manage your trading accounts and access the platform tools you need. Make sure you are logged in to the correct account before continuing, so you can place your trade without interruption. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until your dashboard is fully visible. Once you're inside the personal area, look for the trade option and click on it. This will take you toward the section where you can access the trading interface. If you have multiple accounts available, take a second to confirm you are selecting the account you want to use for trading gold. This helps avoid placing a trade from the wrong balance. Next, choose the option to trade directly from your browser. This opens the web trading platform, which allows you to place trades without downloading additional software. It's a convenient option if you want quick access and a simple setup. When the platform opens, give it a moment to fully load charts, prices, and trading controls. After that, find and click on XAUUSD. This is the symbol commonly used for gold against the US dollar, and it's the instrument you'll be trading in this walkthrough. Selecting the correct symbol is important because the platform may display many different instruments. Be sure you've chosen XAUUSD before moving on. Now you're ready to decide the direction of your trade. Click either buy or sell, depending on your market expectation. If you believe the price of gold is likely to rise, choose buy. If you expect the price to fall, choose sell. Take a brief moment here to review what you're selecting, since this determines the direction of your position. Finally, click Confirm Buy or Confirm Sell to place the trade. This sends your order to the market and opens your gold position. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to quickly check that everything looks correct, especially the instrument and trade direction. Once confirmed, your trade should appear in your Open Positions area, where you can monitor its performance. And that's it. You've now seen how to access the Exness Web Trader, select gold as your instrument, and place either a buy or sell trade directly from your browser. Follow each part carefully, and you'll be able to complete the process smoothly.